Hello and welcome to the next video. Okay, so our next lesson is all about finding the duration. Okay, so what does duration mean? Now, duration is the length of time that an event takes place. Okay, so that's how long an event happens. So we have my pizza here. Okay, so I started eating my pizza at 16:23 or at 4:23. I ate half of it by 4:51 and I ate the whole of it by 5:19. Sorry, 5:19. Okay, so the duration is the length of time it took me to eat each half of the pizza or to eat the whole pizza. Okay, and what we're going to figure out, we're going to show you how to figure out, is how we would find out how long it took me to eat the entire pizza. Okay, so we're going to start off with the first half. Now, as the hours haven't changed, we just need to look at the minutes, and we need to find out how long it takes me to get from 23 to 51. Okay, how many minutes it takes me to get from 23 to 51. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put, so I've got my time of 16:23 here, okay, and I'm going to jump forward of 7 minutes to get me to my next nice whole number, which is 16:30. Okay, because now from 30 minutes it's really easy to count on to 51 because we know that you need to add on 21. Okay, so it took me 7 plus 21, so it took me 21 plus 7, 1 plus 7 equals 8, 2 tens plus no tens equals 2 tens. So it took me 28 minutes to eat the first half of the pizza. Okay, now the second half of the pizza is a bit different because we go over the hour mark. Okay, we see our hours has changed from 16 to 17, but that does not mean that it has elapsed a whole hour. Okay, we need to count the minutes. It's the minutes that's the important thing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get again to a nice round whole number, which is going to be 5 o'clock. Okay, it's going to be 5 o'clock or 17 o'clock. Okay, so to get from 51 to 00, or as it should be 60, because remember there are 60 minutes in an hour, which makes it 00. To get from 51 to 60, it takes us 9 minutes. Okay, and then from 00, it's really easy to count then to the end, which is going to be 19. Okay, so we're just going to add on 19 to get to 17:19. So 9 plus 19 we know equals 28. So to find out how long it took me to eat the whole pizza, it's going to be 28 plus 28. So 8 ones plus 8 ones equals 16 ones, and we exchange 10 of our ones for 1 10. Okay, so I'll end up with 6 ones and 1 10. And then 2 tens plus 2 tens plus another 10 equals 5 tens. And so it took me 56 minutes to eat my pizza. Okay, so I started my workout at 17:13 and finished it at 17:57. How long did it take me to complete my workout? Pause the video and have a go at this question. Okay, so I hope you all had a go. So I'm going to start off and I'm going to mark my 2 times on the number line. So I'm going to mark 17:13, which will be about here. I'm going to mark 17:57, which will be about here. Okay, so to get from 17:13, I want to get to my next whole nice round number, which is going to be 17:20. Okay, so to get from 13 to 20 is going to take me, it's going to be plus 7 minutes. Okay, and then from 20, I can count really easily up to 57 because I know that it's going to take me 37 minutes to get to there. So it's going to be plus 37, and then to find out how long it took me in total, I'm going to do 37 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14 ones. Again, I'll exchange 10 of those ones for 1 10. So I have 3 tens plus 1 10 equals 4 tens. So it took me 44 minutes to complete my workout. So well done to you if you got that correct. Okay, so next and last question before you have a go at the questions in your practice book. So I later went on a run. I started my run at 14:35 and finished my run at 15:33. How long was I on a run for? Please pause the video and have a go at this question. Okay, so We're going to start here, and we've got 14:35 on our clock. Now remember, when it goes up to the hour, when it goes past the hour, as we have here, we went from 14 to 15, we need to get to this point here. We need to get to this point here where it's a nice whole round number. So to get from 35 to what will be 60, because remember there are 60 minutes in an hour, that is going to take us 25 minutes, okay? So to get to 15 o'clock or 3 o'clock, it took us 25 minutes, okay? And so now at this point, I need to figure out where 15:33 is on my clock, okay? So 15, that's going to be sometime past 3, because I take away 12 from 15, that's 3. So my shorthand's going to be going past the 3. And then my big hand is going to be pointing at 33. So I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to go to this point here. Okay. Oh, I don't need that other arrow. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to count how long it takes me to get from 15 o'clock to 15:33. So I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to go round. So I'm going to go here, and to get from 0 to 33, we know takes 33 minutes. Okay, so next I need to do 25 plus 33. 5 ones plus 3 ones equals 8 ones. 2 tens plus 3 tens equals 5 tens. So it took me 58 minutes to do my run. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful, and please have a go at the questions in the practice book, and I will see you tomorrow for our last lesson before the Easter break. Bye guys.